Start off at the fuse box section, and this is the fuse box right here for the CK truck, $19.99. So that part's not too bad. Side sustained some damage. The trans section, this part of the trans section's okay. Coral 60E connector's good. VSS is good. Computer section was badly burned. Have to go through that. Some stuff that's melted. Melted, cracked, there's no tabs, there's copper exposed. Pass through, or the bulkhead, looks okay. That's salvageable. This section's badly charred, but most of the wire is probably pretty good underneath. Instrument panel section is okay. This is the very, very bad end of it right here. Let me know what you guys think.